best thing about Yale School of Management is the people, but I think it's something even bigger than that, which is the sense of possibility and opportunity that the students bring. My name is Nico. I'm a current second-year MBA student here at Yale School of Management, and my background is in media and technology. I think a lot of the learning that happens at School of Management happens outside of the classroom. And so being able to connect with like-minded students who themselves have had incredible work histories and want to accomplish really big things has been this huge source of learning, this sense that let's do big things. We have this opportunity. What can we accomplish during our time here? And that's changed the way that I viewed what's possible for me, and I think it's an exceptional part of this program. I've learned just as much through all of my club activities from the other students as I have from any given class. It's been foundational for developing the skill sets to be the leader that I want to be when I graduate.